Yo, what's up? It's Patrick from GuyanQ, and in this video, I want to show you a little nugget when you're working with DAX Studio and you're asking people to send you BIM files or PBIT files and VPAX files. That minimizes the effort and the work that your clients would need to do when they send you these BIM files and VPAX files. So, you know how we like to do? Instead of all this talking, let's do what? Let's head over to my laptop. Let's say you're working with this model. This is your client's model and it's kind of slow, or you want to look at the model to optimize the size of the model. What you would do is, if they have premium, you probably would tell them to connect to the XMillion point and get you a BIM file. Or if you go here, you can choose export and they'll save the PBIT file. Same thing, Tabular Editor can open that and you can look at their model. And then you would tell them, go to DAX Studio, go to advanced and say export the metrics, okay? 2 steps. You all know how we are at GuyanQ. We're not lazy, we're just efficient. So we're gonna take those 2 steps and make them 1. And so instead, if you go here, go to File, go to Options, and the latest version of DAX Studio, maybe it was a version before, I just don't remember when it came out, and I've been meaning to do this video. But if you click on VPAX Analyzer, you'll see it where it says Include Tom. Make sure it's toggled on. I'm gonna show you why. And then what you would do is go to Advanced and choose Export Metrics. And what I'm gonna do is call this AW, AdventureWorks. You can call it whatever you want. Click Save. After I do that, I create a OneDrive and I upload the VPAX file. Maybe I zip it up and send it in an email. Remember, before they would have to send you 2 files, the BIM file or the PBIT file and the VPAX file. Now, with that little toggle, guess what? They only need to send you 1 file. Let me show you why. Open up Tabular Editor 3, go over here, you can choose File, and you can choose Open Model from File, or you can click the folder. And then I'm gonna go to my desktop and change this to all files, and you'll see the VPAX file. Look at this. There's the model, but I only exported the VPAX file. There's the VPAX Analyzer. So when you toggle that little button, you can get both the model, because it's going to include the TOM. And you can see here's all the definitions and here's my tables. There's some things that I need to take a look at with VPAX Analyzer that it's complaining about. But then I can also take a look at the VPAX file. So I can look at everything that's going on in the model. Here's a summary. It's a 7 meg model. Here's my tables, cardinality. Here's my columns, which column is using the most of the model size. But it's all in a single file just by that little toggle. So now the effort of sending you the BIM and the VPAX file has been reduced to just 1 click. All right, so if you want to learn more about VPAX files or BIM files, I got some videos right above my head. If you have any questions, you have any comments about this, you know what to do. Post it in the comments below. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.